Are you over 60 and feeling more tired than usual? Struggling with foggy thinking, brittle nails, or unexpected muscle cramps? You might be missing some key nutrients and not even know it. In this video, we are exposing 10 hidden nutrient deficiencies that sneak up on seniors and showing you simple, science-backed ways to fix them, starting today. Before we dive in, hit the subscribe button if you are passionate about staying strong, sharp, and vibrant after 60. At Senior Health Matters, we turn science into easy, practical health tips just for you. Let us explore what your body might be silently craving and how to get back to feeling like your best self. Low energy, tingling in your hands or feet? You might be low on vitamin B12. According to Harvard Health, up to 20% of older adults have a B12 deficiency. That is because our stomachs produce less acid with age, making it harder to absorb this vital nutrient from food. Fix it. Add B12-rich foods like eggs, dairy, and fortified cereals. Or ask your doctor about a B12 supplement or shot, especially if you are on antacids or metformin. Do your joints ache, or do you fall ill often? You may have low vitamin D. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows that over 40% of seniors are deficient. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, but aging skin just is not as efficient. Fix it. Spend 15 to 20 minutes in morning sunlight daily, eat fatty fish and fortified dairy, or consider a D3 supplement, especially if you live in cloudy regions. Cramping at night? Can't sleep well? Magnesium may be the missing piece. A study in the journal Nutrients found that magnesium helps regulate sleep, blood pressure, and nerve function. Fix it. Add leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains to your diet. Try magnesium glycinate if you opt for supplements. It is gentle on digestion. Forgetfulness or mood dips? Omega-3 fatty acids support brain health, memory, and heart function, but they are often low in seniors who eat little fish. The American Heart Association recommends 2 servings of fatty fish weekly. Fix it. Eat salmon, sardines, or mackerel. For vegetarians, try flax seeds, walnuts, or an algae-based omega-3 supplement. Osteoporosis is a silent thief in later years. Calcium is essential, yet many seniors do not get enough, especially women. National Institutes of Health data shows bone loss accelerates after 60. Fix it. Include dairy, tofu, and leafy greens. Pair calcium with vitamin D to enhance absorption. Potassium regulates blood pressure and heart rhythm. A deficiency may lead to fatigue or muscle weakness. Many seniors fall short, especially if on diuretics or blood pressure medications. Fix it. Eat bananas, sweet potatoes, beans, and spinach. Talk to your doctor before supplementing. It interacts with medications. Zinc plays a vital role in wound healing and immunity. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed many older adults do not meet daily needs. Fix it. Add more seafood, pumpkin seeds, or fortified grains. Short-term supplementation can help during cold and flu season. Feeling cold or weak often? Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, especially in postmenopausal women and those with digestive issues. Fix it. Eat red meat, lentils, and spinach. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C to enhance absorption. Do not supplement without a doctor's advice. Too much iron is harmful. Folate, or vitamin B9, helps your body make new cells and supports brain function. Low folate has been linked to cognitive decline in aging populations. Fix it. Enjoy more leafy greens, beans, and oranges. Fortified grains also provide a boost. Fiber is not a vitamin, but it is critical. Fiber keeps digestion regular, supports heart health, and manages blood sugar. Many older adults eat far less than the 25 to 30 grams daily recommended. Fix it. Eat more fruits, veggies, oats, legumes, and whole grains. Consider psyllium husk if you are not getting enough. These hidden deficiencies can slowly drain your energy, mobility, and mental clarity, but they are easy to correct with mindful choices. A balanced, colorful diet is your best defense. Supplements help, but should always be doctor-approved. Which of these deficiencies surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. We read everyone. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone over 60 who deserves to feel vibrant always. Credits, script, and narration by Senior Health Matters. Thank you for watching.